Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be playing Dead Effect. And yeah, I'm gonna create another one, as you can see. Practice a little bit there. So yeah, let's play. Since I'm playing on the phone, autofire must be on.
Delta 3 chamber active. Tissue and vital function check. Error. Disruption detected. Restart. Emergency nanotrite activation launched. 3, 2, 1. Awakening.
I'm finally out of here.
It is Wednesday, September 7th, 2045. Day 178 from the beginning of the hibernation. Critical state of health detected. Medistation now active.
Oh, I feel better now. Let's see what's going on here.
I might just play in the front. Itchy. What do I need ammo for?
Electromagnetic stun gun. 1,000 volts at a single shot.
Blood. Blood.
What the hell was that?
Access denied. Exit door locked.
Access denied. Because I'm just trying to look for as much money as I can. Ooh. There should be something in here. Yep. Voice is good. Or down.
Hey man, what's going on here?
Yeah, it's no man. He's a zombie.
What the hell happened here?
Managed to survive it, but now he's dead.
Unlawful activities in the station. Warning. Unpermitted movement in the communication hub. Automatic defense activated. Warning.
What did that do?
Effect movement in the detox center. Gas cleaning activated. Access denied. Warning. Exit door cargo bay integrity disrupted. Access connections deactivated. Warning.
I'm pretty sure it's a
Unpermitted
phone or
activity in the
something.
propulsion core. Gates closing.
Oh shoot. I'm supposed to actually shoot that. Very sick. Well, yeah, sorry if you could actually notice. I'm playing this on phone. Just said that. I do not like you. And I'm also going to be doing some PC gaming. I'm just downloading a 99 gigabyte
Automatic status report.
recorder.
September 7th.
Well, this is actually free to actually get. I can't put this down in the description below because this comes with all tablets and Samsung.
Nothing more to find
I
out
don't know
here.
about iPhone. It's called Play Games. Okay. I am so confused. I played this before. I don't remember really where to go now.
Ready station. Access completed.
I lost 1 health bar, which is really good. A good place to actually talk when I'm alone. I've actually got Henry Danger going on in the background. Pistol, 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 pistol. Time for me to run! Okay. Next mission. So yeah, I'll show you right now. So you like this and this. And this. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's I want to say about 4? Okay. Just let you read that. I'm a loading wheel. I'm inside data effect.
I have to find out how many crew members are alive. I may get some connection to the communication hub.
Got a fair amount of ammo. Oh, it's just got better. See another
I
one.
need to activate the communication link.
The zombies do not matter. The matter do not zombie. I was gonna upload a turbo dismount video, but
The contact in your
the sound was way too loud, so.
Analysis of your state of health. Blood pressure, 180. Temperature, 41 degrees Celsius.
Oh, my
You are
sister's.
not okay.
My sister said it's just gonna cut my phone.
Thanks for the
But it
advice.
I think that she thought that I disconnected the internet. My plug is so crappy and it doesn't work at all. Also, she thinks I'm on the internet.
Finally, somebody contacted me.
I'm Professor Wagner with our Eastern section. You have to follow my instructions. I am closing corridor.
Whoa. What the fuck is happening here?
There has been an
Someone's coming into my
accident
gate.
aboard the craft.
I can see that. What's the status?
There is no time.
Okay,
to
let's
use the
go
elevator.
through here. Object, use the elevator. Where's the elevator? What's the elevator? No, the elevator is not there. I can make quick turns. Woo! Though I didn't need to make quick turns. Oh no! Go.
Oh, it doesn't work. There's no power.
There must be a backup generator. 5 minutes.
Yep, no power, and then the other door actually works. makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Why do they crawl? There's no point. I get the crawlers that have like no legs, but I mean, why would you crawl if you still have a body? Like, it makes no sense. Like, the guy like dived and then he carried on crawling. Circulating. Here comes the monk.
I've got you some more toast.
Okay.
The crew was attacked by a virus. It has the following phases: degeneration, mutation, death, and return to life. The problems are, there is not much time. Quickly proceed through the corridor.
Attention! Unwelcome activity in the station premise. Stay in your cabins. Warning! Automatic defense activated. Warning! Unidentified movements in the detox center. Gas cleaning
Oh my gosh,
Warning!
it's gonna
Cargo
get
bay
annoying
integrity
sometimes.
Access
Sometimes they're really nice.
Warning! Unpermitted activity in the propulsion core. Gates closing.
I am finding all of the Easter eggs. Oh, it's not Easter. What am I destroying the defense tower? Which I've probably gonna kill, isn't it? Shoot it! This is the only problem with having auto shooting on. I can play dirty too.
I'm opening the passage. You have been doing well.
How the heck do I get through now? Okay. Just gonna switch here. Always retrace your steps. Okay, hopefully it's not too loud. Okay, what's it doing? Just gonna go up the elevator.
Cartoon movie.
Come on then.
Murder.
Why all the talking? Welcome to the world's most quietest display. Let's begin. Just do this when my mom's around. But now, since my mom's not around, I might as well just do this. I would have to go back. something down there. Lost in case. Second thought, I saw like a ginormous monster. It's like boss battle. I have a feeling there is going to be a boss battle in this game. A game with no boss in it is no game. That's the steps in making a game. You should also get Unity Personal Edition. You guys know Revenfield, that was made with Unity. The Personal Edition. Wanting the gold bar, which can get me nothing so far. But I don't know what the gold bar can get me. I think it can get me the chainsaw. Achievement unlocked. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, see all of you wonderful people in the next video. Bye!